Yes. Okay.
Can I ask a question?
Okay. Go ahead. Yes, go ahead.
So this is about this is something that is worrying me very much and scaring me. The situation that is happening in the Middle East. About there are sources of a Jewish historian from the first century. It's called Josephus, that established the location of the nation of Magog and the nations that appear in the prophecy of Ezekiel 38, starting from the Caucasus region and up. So we had news that in Dagestan, Amov tried to attempt some type of pogrom because a plane from Tel Aviv was coming there, and they were behaving like Nazis. So should we alert the Jews living in those dangerous countries that they should leave?
Actually, in those countries, there is almost no Jews. Some only very rich businessmen who went back. So that's Dagestan and Chechnya. They're very, very aggressive people. Very aggressive people. So these Palestinians naive children, like school children compared to these animals. So in a sense, normal people would not live there. So they always can go somewhere else. But if they have no fear, they can live wherever they want. You understand? So even in this in Israel, in some places, it's very dangerous. So I remember. So we always try to spend the Shabbos when you used to go to Israel. So every Shabbos, at least one Shabbos, we try to spend in Yerushalayim. Usually last Shabbos before we leave. And in a few times I had the Gabbai. Of course, Gabbai, there's no official Gabbai, but it sounds like he knew a few guys. Well, had the gun on Shabbos. He had the gun. Every time, he would leave his hand, I would look at his gun. It's unbelievable. You understand? So I'm not sure exactly where he lived. Maybe I don't know where. I don't know. But if he walked to the Western Wall, I don't know. Should not be very far. But it was dangerous even in there. So they're dangerous places. But those people, that's what I expected of them. I mean. I block only today. I was very busy today, but I block maybe 35 people, 40 people who wish us all of the curses, who curse us with all of the curses on YouTube, right? And wish us all of the bad things. Me personally, Jewish nation, and all the things. You understand? So I'm sure if I would, me personally, be the Chas v'Shalom in that neighborhood, from wherever they wrote, nothing good is going to happen. So we rely on HaShem. We learn His Torah and not get involved. As HaShem says, right, you sit home and I'm going to take care of it. And it must be constantly on our mind. So of course, the soldiers in Israel, you cannot sit home, have to do something about it. But in our situation, so you be holy in your house. And that's it. Don't read all of the news, and these people, of course, they know, and hopefully it's going to be a warning for them just to leave that place. And I have one of my students. It's actually he used to live in Chechnya, in Grozny, capital of the city. So he told me how it was. These Chechens would come, and not only to the Jews, but to the native Russians, and said, "Your apartment is now mine. I give you 2 hours, get out of this apartment." So, and whatever they can collect in 2 hours, they would even, you know what, I'm good, I'm very generous, I'm going to take you, and they would drive person in their car, whatever the people could collect, to the border and just kick out, right? So that's how it was. That's how these animals are. So, of course, he was able to go to the States a little earlier, but it was beginning of that time. Right, so okay. So if Jews want to go back and live there, okay, they can go back and live there. Maybe I don't know what they're thinking, but to be Jew there, it's not a good idea. Maybe to do a businessman there, it's very good idea, but not recommended.